This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi, I'm Justine, a nutritionist with the SnapEd program. Welcome to my kitchen. Part of my job is showing people how to make healthy food that tastes great, saves time, and saves money. So today we're going to be making a spinach frittata muffin. Frittata is just a fancy word for a baked omelet. This recipe is a great choice to make for breakfast or lunch. These muffins come together quickly and are packed with protein to help you stay feeling full all day. Plus, eggs are a great affordable protein. They're also a complete protein, which means they contain all the amino acids or building blocks our body needs to stay healthy. This recipe uses eggs for protein and a variety of different vegetables, giving you 2 food groups on the My Plate. To make this recipe, you will need 8 large eggs, 2 cups of packed spinach, half a cup of shredded cheese, and 4 scallions. This recipe serves 6 people. I chose to use some diced peppers and red onions that I had left over from another recipe, instead of scallions. I chose these ingredients because they're affordable, flavorful, and provide great nutrients for my family. Before we get started, it's always a good idea to wash hands. Use soap, water, and lather for 20 seconds. Instead of scallions, I used some leftover chopped rainbow bell peppers and red onions. My bell pepper and onion had been washed before I used them in my first recipe. I chose to use them because the orange and yellow bell peppers give different vitamins and minerals than my dark green leafy spinach. Plus, most Americans don't consume enough orange, red, and yellow vegetables. To chop my spinach, I've rolled it into a tight bunch. I'm using a claw grip on my left hand so that should my knife slip, it's just going to graze my knuckle and not cut my fingertip. I'm using fresh spinach today, which was washed and ready to use right out of the bag. You can also use frozen spinach, just to frost it and squeeze it between some paper towels to get out any extra moisture. Frozen is just as good as fresh. Now I'll crack my eggs into a bowl, whisk in the remaining ingredients, and pop it into the oven. Hooray! No shells! If you do happen to get a shell in your eggs, just scoop it out with a spoon or a fork. Look at all these beautiful colors going into our frittata. Anytime we can eat the rainbow, we know we're getting a variety of vitamins and minerals that do great things for our body. Every color does something different, so feel free to change it up and make these frittatas your own. You can add mushrooms, broccoli, shredded carrots, whatever you like. Take a few minutes now to make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After combining all your ingredients, coat your pan with non-stick spray or vegetable oil and start to scoop your ingredient batter into your muffin tins. When your pan is full, you're ready to put your frittata muffins in the oven for about 20 minutes. Our frittatas are done when they reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit with a food thermometer, or when a toothpick comes out clean. 20 minutes later and our frittatas are done. They smell amazing and look delicious. Look at all of those bright colors. I can't wait to dive in. This recipe cost me about $7 to make, and there's plenty of leftover eggs, cheese, and spinach for another recipe. This recipe also made a lot. So I'm going to store my leftovers in the refrigerator for a grab-and-go breakfast or lunch during the week. All I have to do is reheat each muffin for about 10 seconds in the microwave. And I know I'm going to have a protein, veggie, nutrient-packed snack whenever I need it. I can't wait to eat this breakfast right now. I'm going to serve it with a cup of non-fat milk, a piece of fruit, and whole grain toast. That way I know I'm getting all 5 food groups in one meal. And I'm getting a variety of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that my body needs. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. And I hope that you had fun making something that helps you eat healthy, save time, and save money. You can find this recipe and other great ideas for eggs on our website, snapedny.org. We can't wait to hear what you think.
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP Ed New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material is funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.